Oh! Bees! Bees!
A few moments later.
I'm gonna distract the bees and you take the hive. And bring inside the ship.
Where's the hive?
Right here, right here. I'm gonna distract the bees and you grab the hive, okay? It's right here in front of me.
Alright. Hey, they coming after me! Oh, grab E. I got it, I'm running!
He's gonna die.
I'm getting in the shit! Close the thing! Close it! Got it.
No! Let me in! I'm dying! Let me in!
Get in! Where are you?
You're terrible at this.
What?
You don't actually go in the building
Why?
and do anything.
No! No!